Hey, I'm Ramona, and I'm about to show you something shocking, so take a deep breath and watch the following video.
A Lancashire-based tech firm is predicting revenue growth to £25 million in 3 years as more companies use video content. Viddyoze is the world's first and only 100% automated video animation service and already has 75,000 customers, including the likes of Tesla, Sony and PwC. The company was founded in 2015 by David Chamberlain, Jamie Garside and Joey Zotto after the trio recognized that video content was only accessible to companies with big budgets. Viddyoze technology allows people to create and use their own video animation in 3 simple clicks at a fraction of the cost. The tech firm's first soft launch in September 2015 was with 30 templates and generated £390,000, $500,000, revenue in 4 days. The templates were typically 6 to 30 seconds long and customers could embed their logo and message into the animation in 3 clicks. Chamberlain, who started his career as a trainee accountant with Lancashire-based Moore & Smalley before deciding to become an entrepreneur, said the intention of the launch was to open the product, get some users and then stop further people buying it while we worked on the product with the existing user base and got our team of animators to increase the number of templates available. By the time they launched Viddyoze 2.0 they had 200 templates and generated £500,000, $650,000, in sales in 4 days. Because the company had used US affiliate marketers to drive interest, 85% of their sales came from America. The Preston-based company is predicting revenue will reach £10 million, $12.9 million, this year and £25 million, $32 million, by 2022 as businesses recognize that video content is a more effective engagement tool and improves conversion rates than traditional methods. Video isn't the next big thing, said Chamberlain, it is the thing. We wanted to make it simple and cheaper. We wanted to open up the opportunity for smaller companies to use video marketing. The idea for Viddyoze came out of a chance conversation Chamberlain and Garside had with Zotto when they were running a separate software business. Joey said he wanted to animate a logo without using Adobe After Effects, recalled Chamberlain. If you use Adobe you pay for it and you have to understand how to do it because it's quite a technical thing. We wanted to simplify the whole process and that's where the idea for Viddyoze came from. The problem we saw was that the videos were kept for the businesses that had the budget for them. A lot of firms didn't think they could afford to make videos. Chamberlain said the beauty of Viddyoze technology is it can integrate with the client's data to create personalized content to scale. He explained, a good example would be an insurance company, which traditionally sends out email reminders at the end of a policy. Our technology can send out animated content which had resulted in a 15% increase in renewal rates. A GIF will play when you open the email. It can go directly into an email or SMS. Video is proven to increase conversion rates. They're engaging. More people are willing to buy a product after they've watched a video. Users can either buy individual animations or choose a discounted monthly payment model. Working out of their colorful new offices in Lancashire, Viddyoze offers more than 1,500 templates and employs 27 people all around the world. To date all their growth has been self-funded. Early this year Chamberlain and his co-founders launched a second business called Clipio. The idea for that came from the fact that our user base was taking a lot of our content and stringing together a lot of clips to create one complete video, said Chamberlain. We decided to give them the option of doing that but with our product. We set about building a product that integrates with Viddyoze and could also take content from Shutterstock and other areas so the user can create their own video. When Clipio launched it generated sales of £465,000. $600,000, in 4 days with follow-on revenues of £46,500, $60,000, a month. Just like Viddyoze, We only opened Clipio up for 4 days so could carry on working with our user base and improve the product, says Chamberlain. Now both brands are ready for the next stage of their growth as they aim for revenue of $32 million in the next 3 years. Over the past five years, there have been several versions of Viddyoze, each one adding new functionality and improvements to the user interface and performance. Existing users, at least this far, have been upgraded automatically each time a new version is released. November 17, 2020 will mark the release of the newest version of Viddyoze. Over the past 2 years, the team says they've been working on the largest update they've released in recent years, and that update will completely change the entire Viddyoze experience. Please note, if you purchase Viddyoze today or have purchased Viddyoze in the past, you will automatically receive all updates as they become available. Some of the new and exciting features and functionality include square and vertical templates. The new version of Viddyoze features brand new templates specifically suited to square and vertical formats, perfect for all social media platforms. Multi-font support. Viddyoze expands its robust customization features to now allow users to choose multiple fonts for their creations. Multi-audio support options. Not feeling the default audio for your Viddyoze template? No problem. You'll now be able to select from multiple different audio tracks per template. Sound effects only. You can now choose to have just sound effects in your templates, without any music, giving you full flexibility and control over your audio options. Background removal tool. Need to quickly kill the background of your image in Viddyoze? Now you can using our one-click background removal tool. Image editing tools. Need to crop your images in Viddyoze before inserting it into a template? Now you can do this all inside of the template customization options. User library. Users will now be able to upload and store images in their accounts. No more browsing around your computer to find assets. Everything is accessible from inside the Viddyoze app. New integrations. Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash. Users now have access to hundreds of thousands of images to import directly from inside the Viddyoze app. Simple browse for images and edit them right inside the app. Overhauled user interface. The new Viddyoze has been redesigned and overhauled from the ground up, taking over 5 years of user experiences, culminating into the perfect UX journey for all users. This is truly the most complete, robust and powerful version of Viddyoze to date.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.